So students, in the previous video we have seen what is multiple cropping. Here the cultivated area over the years have been given. In 1915 it was 120 million hectares, which is 155 in 2012. Here you can see the bar diagram. Now the next thing that is important is that by multiple cropping we are able to grow 2 to 3 crops on the same piece of land in a year. But in modern farming methods, on the same piece of land we are able to get large amount of crop, and that amount of crop is known as the yield. Now what is modern farming method? This picture will show you. The main important thing in modern farming method is using HYV seeds. Usually farmer use normal seeds which give us low yield, but if we use high yielding variety seeds we will get higher yield. But the condition is that farmer has to use modern tools. Like in normal farming, that is known as the primitive farming, farmer use normal seeds and use manure, cow dung manure, etc. And this type of farming does not require large amount of irrigation as well. But in modern farming method, when we use HYV seeds, this will require fertilizers, pesticides, machineries and irrigation facility. Irrigation facility we get through dams, pump sets, canals, and the one condition that has to be that electricity should be there to run the pump, so the farmer could irrigate the field. Now here we will find that the crop that is produced on a given piece of land during a single season. Now we have seen that there are 3 seasons in which we grow crops. But in modern farming method, in a single season, the yield is more than in the primitive subsistence farming. Till mid-1960s, farmers in our country were using normal seeds, which was giving us relatively low yield, as they were using cow dung and natural manure as fertilizers, and that they could get in their own farms only, they don't have to buy them. But after the green revolution in 1916s, now green revolution means high yield of wheat and rice. How? By using high yielding variety of seeds, and with that using chemical fertilizers, plenty of water and pesticides to produce best results. So, higher yields were possible only from a combination of HYV seeds, irrigation, chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Now, where the Green Revolution took place? Yeah, which farmers initiated this revolution? The farmers of Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh were the first one to try out this method, and they bought machineries like tractors, threshers. Tractors was used for plowing and threshers for harvesting. Harvesting means cutting of the crop. And so they were rewarded with the high yield of wheat. Now in Palampur also, when they used the high variety seeds, they were able to get yield more than they were getting before.